It was a hot afternoon, and Jake, a DoorDasher with 2 years under his belt, had already had a rough day. As he accepted an order from a high-end sushi place, he hoped it would be an easy delivery. The customer's instructions read, "Please hurry. I'm starving." A bit rude, but he thought nothing of it. People were always hungry when ordering food. He grabbed the order, made sure it was packed neatly, and raced through traffic, following the GPS to an upscale neighborhood. As he approached the house, he noticed a huge, ornate gate. No gate code. He messaged the customer, "Hey, I'm here at the gate, but I need a code." Minutes passed. No response. He called twice voicemail. Finally, a voice crackled through the intercom. "Yeah, what? Hi, this is your DoorDash order. Could you open the gate for me?" The customer sighed loudly. "Oof, hang on. And hurry up." The gate slowly opened. Jake drove up the long driveway, parked, and jogged to the front door. As he knocked, he felt a bit of dread. This wasn't going to be pleasant. The door swung open, and a middle-aged woman stood there, phone in hand, glaring at him. "What took you so long?" "It said 30 minutes, and it's been 32. Jake, trying to remain calm, said, "I'm sorry. There was a bit of traffic and I had trouble with the gate." "I don't care about your excuses," she snapped, snatching the food from his hands. She tore open the bag and riffled through it, counting the soy sauce packets. "You only brought me 4 packets of soy sauce? 4 for all this sushi? Are you kidding me?" Jake blinked. "That's what they gave me. You could try asking the restaurant next time." "Next time?" "Oh, there won't be a next time. I'm giving you a 1-star rating and I'm reporting this whole experience. Worst service ever." She shrieked, slamming the door in his face. Jake stood there for a moment, stunned. He'd met rude customers before, but this one took the cake, or rather, the sushi. He sighed, turned around, and as he reached his car, his phone buzzed with a notification. A $0 tip. Shaking his head, Jake muttered, "Hope she enjoys her 4 soy sauce packets." Then he drove off to his next order, hoping it would be a little less dramatic.